In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to get Roblox. So this is nice and simple. All you need to do is open up a browser and then type in Roblox. Now it's this first link here, www.roblox.com. So once the page is loaded, you just need to press on any sort of game. So we're going to click on this one here, Blocks Fruits. And once that's loaded, what we need to do is press the blue play button. So once this is loaded, it will say download Roblox. So let's click this and it will start downloading in the top right corner. So we'll open this up once it's downloaded. And once it's finished loading, you will be in Roblox. So my screen might look a little different to yours since I've already logged in. But all you need to do is create an account or just log in. So to play a game on Roblox, all you need to do is select a game. So we're going to go for Grow a Garden. And then just press the blue play button again. The other way I've downloaded Roblox is going into the Microsoft Store. And then in the search bar, you just need to type in Roblox. Now click on this first one here and press get. If you want to get Roblox on your phone, all you need to do is open up your App Store and then in the search bar type Roblox. And the second one down is the game you need to download. As you can see, mine says open next to it because I already have it, but if this is your first time downloading it, it would say get. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments below if you found this helpful.